Hello there. Today I've got 8 expressions for you can use to show politeness and respect when making requests. Number 1. Will you? Will you open the door for me? Or you can say, would you? Would you open the door for me? If you want to sound more polite, you can say, would you please? Would you please repeat the question? In a similar way, you can say, could you please? Could you please move this box? Also, you can say, could you possibly? Could you possibly open the window? Another way, you can say, would you kindly? Would you kindly explain to me this? Another expression, would you mind? Would you mind being quiet for a minute? And the final one, this is an extra polite expression. Would you be so kind as to? Would you be so kind as to help me cross the road? Okay, that's it for today. I hope you learned new ways to express yourself politely in English. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.